Causes and the risk factors. Exact cause is unknown for MASLD. It may be obesity or being overweight, type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, high level of fats in the blood, high triglycerides, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, metabolic syndrome, having the conditions which I've already discussed with you earlier, excessive of alcohol consumption. There are no specific medications that can fully cure your fatty liver disease, but lifestyle changes can help to modify this condition. That is, weight loss, losing weight, even 3 to 5% of your body weight is essential and to lose, and may help to reverse the fat buildup in the liver. A goal of 10% is often recommended. Healthy diet, that means eat a diet which is rich in your fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Limit or avoid using sugary drinks like soda, sweetened juices, refined carbohydrates and saturated fats. Regular exercise, this is very important. At least 150 minutes of moderate to intensity exercise per week is needed. You can do yoga. That also is very helpful. Avoid alcohol. Individuals with fatty liver should avoid or severely restrict alcohol. Important thing you should not forget, you should manage the underlying conditions which are resulting in this fatty liver, that is diabetes and blood sugar levels, high cholesterol and triglycerides, high blood pressure. So if your loved one is concerned about your fatty liver disease, it is important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and personalized treatment. Now I'll be showing you what are the changes a liver goes from fatty liver and to cirrhosis of liver. I'll be showing you the picture of the liver is showing is a healthy liver. The next is non-alcoholic fatty liver. Then you have the non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. The continuous inflammation of the liver can lead to fibrosis, a formation of scar tissue within the liver. Next, in cirrhosis of the liver, scar tissue replaces a normal healthy tissue, which blocks the flow of blood through the liver and prevent it from working as it should. Last but not the least, liver cancer is a formation of malignant tumor in the liver. Sometimes liver cancer occurs